Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies for a very first episode, which is an actual cookie decorating tutorial. We're gonna do a scarecrow cookie to help welcome fall and get into the fall vibes, and I think the scarecrow is going to be a lot of fun to make.
Wait!
Yes.
Wait!
Oh,
I thought we were doing pumpkins!
No, Hank! We were doing the scarecrow, remember?
I thought we were doing pumpkins!
No, it's scarecrows. If you guys remember, which I'm sure you do, it would be weird if you didn't, this is my co-host, Hank. Hank is back. He's gonna help us out. He's gonna be my co-host. Maybe he's gonna dabble in some directing. I don't know, but it's gonna be fun no matter what happens. So don't listen to him though. We're not doing pumpkins, definitely doing scarecrows. So you're gonna bring in a scarecrow?
Well, I'm gonna bring in what I have of scarecrows last minute.
No, Hank,
I'm gonna bring in last minute scarecrows. Oh! Oh no! The scarecrow, pick him up! Oh!
What is?
Oh no!
Where's the rest of his body?
We have a very limited budget.
Okay. Well,
Oh, put him down, Oh, you okay? Oh,
all right.
no.
Well, you know, let's roll with it. To get us in the fall vibes, we're decorating a scarecrow. Although
part of a scarecrow.
we're gonna just decorate. Actually, this works out really well because we're just gonna decorate the scarecrow's head. So this little guy is gonna, well, maybe not look exactly like him. Something a little bit cuter. Thank you, Hank. It is much appreciated. All right, here we go.
You know, sometimes I just lose my head.
Ah ha ha ha! That is
Yes.
yes.
Scarecrow pun.
Okay. Talking about this little scarecrow guy. So I actually don't have a cookie cutter that looks exactly like this. What I did have and how I made him was I used this cookie cutter. But look, he is an actual scarecrow and he had a scarf on. I just cut with a knife down there and took off the scarf, which...
Oh, that's really good.
Right?
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, while he's gone, let's go over these things that we need to make the scarecrow cookie.
Did you say cut?
No!
Do I turn off the camera?
No! No! Hank, go do what you have to do.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, real quick, here we go. Okay, so for this cookie, we are going to need black, orange, ivory, yellow, and brown. We're gonna need piping bags, a scribe tool, and some sprinkle leaves. And I just wanted to point out real quick, it might be a good idea to also get some food-safe gloves. You will notice that in this video, I am not wearing any gloves on my hands, but that's just because I'm not selling these cookies and I'm not giving them to anyone. This is just for you guys, just so I can show you how to decorate a cookie. They will not be consumed by anybody. So it might be a good idea if you do decide to sell these or share them with friends and family, handle these cookies with some gloves just to keep everything sanitary. Alright, so let's get started. I'm starting off, I want to outline the scarecrow's head first, so I'm going to go in with my Wilton food coloring ivory royal icing, and I'm going to just nice and easy outline his head. So I used a nice medium consistency for my royal icing, not too runny, not too stiff, a little bit of pressure to come out of the bag. If you also notice, I'm not using a tip, you know the silver Wilton tips or that you find in the craft store or a baking store. I'm not using them. I find them to be a little bit more difficult, and just using a tipless bag is pretty easy for me. And you can cut the tip of the bag to the desired size. So I'm going to go in now and outline the hat, but if you look at the brim, you see how the brim of the cookie cutter is rounded? I wanted my scarecrow's hat to be squared. So I just wanted to point out that you don't always have to go by what the cookie cutter is telling you to do. You can definitely do your own thing here, so I wanted to make my brim squared. I'm going to let that set for a minute or two. And I'm going to come back in with my ivory and I'm going to do what we call flooding the cookie. So again, I used a medium consistency royal icing, not too hard, not too soft. Comes out pretty easily with a thin cut tip at the end of the bag. And I just want to go back and forth, apply even pressure, get it all the way to the ends, And then I'm gonna come in with my scribe tool. So I have a fancy scribe tool here, but you don't need that. You can use a toothpick or you can use anything that's food safe with a point on it. And I just wanna push the icing to the very end and pop the bubbles and give it a little bit of a shake to even it out. I'm gonna come back in with my brown, and if you notice, I had cut the tip a little bit bigger on that brown icing bag because this icing was a little bit thicker. And I did that on purpose to do the design on the hat, which you'll see in a few seconds. So I didn't want to hurt my hand when I was flooding this cookie, so I just wanted to make the hole a little bit bigger. Okay, so once I finished flooding both the hat and the face, I'm gonna let that icing set for a little bit just so it crusts over. And crust over kind of means you can run your finger very, very lightly across the top of it without breaking or having your finger stick to the frosting. So I'm gonna come in here and make some really detailed horizontal lines right across the hat. I thought it'd be really cool to do some textured lines on the hat just for a little bit of pop for the cookie, making it a little bit more special. Now, if for some reason you don't feel like sitting here for quite a few minutes making these detailed lines, you don't have to. You could definitely come back in with some other options. Come back in with maybe an edible marker and you could draw the lines in. You could leave the hat alone. It's totally up to you. But I did want to make this cute burlappy waffle type pattern on the hat. And when it's all done, that'll, be a really cool focal point of the cookie. I also didn't make that icing too thin either, because if it was too thin, the icing would just run right into each other. So it got nice definition. See? Do you see how cool that looks right there with that waffle pattern? Alright, so now I'm going to come back in with my yellow royal icing, and I'm going to make some hay hair. This little guy needed some hair, so let's give him a really cool hairdo here. And this is up to you how you want to do it, but I figure hay doesn't have a specific pattern. He didn't really get his hair styled here. So I'm just gonna overlap it, crisscross it, have it go in a few different directions. Maybe make some lines a little bit longer. That is totally up to you and how you envision your scarecrow to look. That royal icing is also a little bit maybe more than a medium texture, just so it didn't run into each other. Just, same texture, the same consistency, as the hat. Make a few more lines for that, and there we are. Alright, so what's missing on this scarecrow? Yes, his eyes. So I'm going to come in here with some black royal icing. Something I always want to note about black royal icing, you don't have to make it or dye it as dark as you might think. If you were to make the icing the night before you need it, you don't have to dye it as dark, because what happens is you start to saturate the icing, and there's the potential for that black color to bleed into the other colors. So actually, the icing darkens over time. So if you make it a little bit lighter, overnight, let your icing set, and it will actually darken a little bit. So that's a little bit of a tip there for you, because black icing can be a little bit of a challenge. So I'm going to come back in with my orange royal icing. Just a note, I actually didn't have an orange food coloring on hand, so I used the yellow that I used for the hair, and I took a little bit of red and I mixed it together, and I got a really cool burnt orange. So I love it. I thought that was a great color for the nose. That was a happy little accident there. And I'm coming back in with that black, and I'm making a big old smile for this scarecrow. I wanted a happy guy. And I decided that I wanted to put those, stitches on his mouth, make him look a little bit authentic here, give him a little bit more texture. Alright, we're almost done, and this scarecrow just needs a little bit more fun on his hat. So I made a thin line for the band on the hat, and I found these really cute sprinkles that I wanted to decorate that band with. I'm sure you could find these sprinkles in Walmart or Michael's or Joann's. I actually found these in a local cake store right by my house. So I have these really skinny tip tweezers that are easy for me to grab small sprinkles with, and I just wanted to choose the colors and stick them right on the hat. How cute is this Scarecrow. And that's it, guys. That's what you do. And I hope you love him so much. We finished the Scarecrow. Look at how cute.
Oh, he's done?
He's done.
Oh, look at him.
Here, let's take a picture, Hank. Ready? No.
Oh.
You cannot eat the cookies.
Oi.
You cannot eat the cookies.
Oh.
When we're all done, you can have the cookies.
Okay.
So.
Hey.
Yeah?
Did I tell you?
What?
Did I tell you?
Personal space, Hank.
Oh.
Personal space
Sorry.
is a good thing.
Oh.
What?
Okay. Listen.
Okay, ready?
Okay. I just was talking to my friend. He's a scarecrow.
Okay.
Isn't that funny? Wait, but that's not it yet. That's not it. He's a scarecrow, and he just got a promotion.
Okay.
Guess why?
Why?
Because he was the best in his field.
That's good, Hank.
Yes.
The scarecrows stand in the field.
No, he doesn't stand there. He's on a pole. He's literally nailed to a pole. It's not cool.
That is not cool.
No.
Well, that joke just got pretty,
Yeah, but listen, this is what he said. He had, his job is not for everyone. He said, but hey, it's in my genes.
I get it, because it's
He's stuffed.
Scarecrows wear jeans. Oh, Hank. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got something out of it. I really do. But again, so cute. Let me know in the comments down below what you would have done differently. Would you have done anything differently? Would you have given him a different hat? Would you have done this? What is it called? The brim? I don't know. Would you have done anything different? Different colors? A different shape of anything? I want to know what you would do.
Yeah, share your ideas.
Yeah, please. And if you did make this, share your pictures. You can go share your pictures with us on Instagram. Tag us on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to see what you made. I'd love to know if you made something along with us. I think that'd be so cool. So let's get into the habit of sharing cookies, sharing ideas, letting me know what you think, what you would have done differently. I think this was really great.
Yes,
I think this was
good.
pretty successful.
Yes, we did it.
We did it. Give me 5. What's the matter?
I can't. Hey. Here, grab my arm. Grab my arm.
Come here.
Grab my arm. Ha!
There we go.
Yes, that's kind of embarrassing, but yes.
Okay. Good job, guys. Follow us on Instagram, like the video, share the video.
Yes, hit the like button.
Watch the video again, whatever you want. This was so much fun.
Ding.
Hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, do all the stuff. That'd be great. And meet us back here next time because I want to make
pumpkins!
Almost. Pumpkin spice. I'm thinking like pumpkin spice coffee.
What?
Thanks so much. See you next time, cookie friends.
Yay!
Bye!
Well, our monitor went dark. I can't see myself.
Oh no! Technical difficulty.
I don't even know if we're still recording. Uh-oh. We've lost everything. Oh, crap.
I don't know if the camera's actually recording.
Oh no.
I don't know. Guys, is the camera on? I've got no clue.